Question number 4 of the exercise, we have different expressions that we have to calculate. These are some simple ones, and they are of different types, you can say. We have simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, roots, and rational expressions involved. So taking a start with the very first one, we have 6 plus 72. So we, if add 6 to 72, we get 78. The second one is 29 minus 23. So we subtract from the bigger number 23. So 29 minus 23 is equal to 6. Then we have 8 multiplied by 42. So when we multiply 8 by 42, we get 336. Then we have 20 minus 4 divided by 2. So according to the rules of the BODMAS, division comes first. So we will do division first. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Then after the division is done, we will do the subtraction. So 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. The next part is, fifth part is, we have 31 minus 10 over 14 minus 7. So 31 minus 10 is equal to 21, and 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. If we further simplify it, 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7, and 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. So 3 would be our final answer, the simplified one. The sixth part is 100 minus 40 over 5 multiplied by 4. So 100 minus 40 is equal to 60, as you can see in here, and 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So 60 over 20, if we simplify it, 20 into 1 is equal to 20, and 20 into 3 is equal to 60. So the final answer is 3, because 20 multiplied by 3 is equal to 60. Next part is in the under root, we have, in the square root, we have 100 minus 36. So 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. Now we have square root of 64. We can write the 64 as a square of 8, because 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64. So when we write the 64 as the square of 8, the square and the root gets cancelled with each other, because these are the inverse of each other. Once they get cancelled, we get the final answer as 8. The second last expression is square root of 8 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So we have square root 16. We can write this 16 as the square of 4, because 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Once we write this 16 as the square of 4 under the root, the square and the root gets cancelled, because these are the inverse operations. These two gets cancelled, and we are left with 4. So 4 is our final answer. Then we have square root of 90 minus 9. When we do the subtraction, 90 minus 9 is equal to 81. So we have the square root 81. We can write this 81 under the root as the square of 9, because 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. So when we write it as 9 square under the root, the square gets cancelled with the root,